How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about what the minimum liability insurance requirements for auto insurance are here in Michigan. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your family, or your business, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. In Michigan, the auto insurance laws here require all drivers to carry a minimum amount of liability coverage. The minimum required limits for bodily injury liability are $50,000 per person and $100,000 per accident. And for property damage liability, the minimum is $10,000. So if you are driving without at least these coverage limits, you could face fines, tickets, and potentially even something more severe like a suspended license. Now, while those are the state minimum coverage limit requirements, it is important to know that they might not be enough if you are involved in a serious accident. Medical bills and legal expenses can quickly and very easily exceed those amounts, and any expenses beyond your insurance coverage limits would have to come out of your pocket. That's why most insurance companies and agents, including myself, always recommend starting with at least $250,000 per person and $500,000 per accident. This is commonly referred to as 250-500. And depending on your financial situation, you might even need to look at more coverage. But again, this is typically a great starting point. And for the property damage liability portion, starting with at least $100,000 is what people typically go with, but it is becoming more common to see $250,000 as a starting point for this coverage limit. It's also important to note that if you choose limits lower than $250,000-$500,000, you'll actually need to sign a form that the insurance company and the insurance agency keeps on file, confirming that you are okay with those lower limits. So while higher liability limits might seem like an extra cost in terms of the premium that you're paying to the insurance company, they can actually save you a lot of money in the long run if you are ever involved in a serious and expensive accident. And last, it is also worth mentioning that depending on factors like your driving history, claims record, the type of vehicle you drive, and other factors, liability coverages can actually be some of the less expensive parts of your auto insurance policy. So overall, having those higher limits might not cost as much as you think and can give you much better protection. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your auto insurance here in the state of Michigan or any other type of insurance, whether it's personal or commercial, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's commercial, personal, whatever it may be, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.